Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to discuss about a work from home or full-time remote job opportunity, and the company's name is VoloPay. This job is for India location, and this is a customer service kind of job where the profile's name is Client Onboarding and Data Specialist. Here the company has not asked for much of the experience. They are only asking for 1+ years of experience in customer success with a focus on onboarding and data management. Now let's check out about the role and the company. So VoloPay is a startup that combines corporate cards, bill payments, approvals, expense reimbursements, and accounting automation in one single platform. And we empower businesses to manage, grow, and succeed with our cross-platform solution that delivers more functionality across different areas of operations. Now here they have said that at VoloPay you will thrive among passionate, talented individuals who bring their energy into everything they do. Our team's diversity is our strength, with musicians, entrepreneurs, athletes, and more contributing their unique talents. Picture a workplace that is not just about work, but about a shared journey. We value your independence and trust you with tasks, encouraging you to take ownership and find innovative solutions. Now let's check out about the skills and qualifications that the company has listed for the role. So the company has asked for 1+ years of experience in customer success with a focus on onboarding and data management. And you are required to be proficient in HubSpot, Zoho Desk, and Microsoft Excel. You should have a passion for data analysis, reporting, and engaging with clients. You should have demonstrated ability to proactively serve both internal and external stakeholders. You should have high adaptability and a strong ability to thrive under pressure in a fast-paced environment. You should be willing to work flexible hours across 2 time zones, including Singapore and India. Now let's check out about the key responsibilities that you can expect while working as a client onboarding and data specialist at VoloPay. Now the key responsibilities include you need to lead the onboarding process for new clients, guiding them through documentation, compliance, approvals, and account setup. You need to collaborate with teams across product, sales, and customer success to ensure a seamless onboarding experience. You need to prepare and distribute invoices while monitoring billing cycles for timely and accurate payments. You need to maintain and update client records, ensuring data integrity and accuracy throughout the process. You need to generate insightful reports and analyze client data to identify patterns and trends, helping to inform strategic decisions. You need to proactively streamline onboarding processes to enhance efficiency and delivery speed. You need to communicate effectively with clients and internal stakeholders, addressing inquiries and providing support. So this was it about the roles and responsibilities for the job. Here's the application form that you can fill. If you're interested, you can provide here your name and then LinkedIn profile's URL, email ID, phone number, and answer the questions like, do you have at least 1 year of experience in customer success? Would you be comfortable working from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. IST? So the job timing will be from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. IST or Indian Standard Time. And then does the salary range of 30,000 to 35,000 INR monthly meet your expectations? And then will you be able to join us immediately? Can you communicate proficiently in English? And then anything else we should know. And then attach your resume here and then apply for the job. So that's it. And the job timing is also quite good. And they are only asking for 1+ years of experience, and the salary range is also good. So I think this is a great opportunity for people who are living in India and looking for 100% remote job opportunities. And so if you have some experience in customer service jobs, please go ahead and check out all the details. And if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, you can apply for the job. Thank you for listening.